You ever have a time where you come home and all the smoke detectors are going off and you can't figure out what's going on? All my detectors are hardwired into this house. In the last 2 or 3 days, they've been going off about the same time. Can't quite figure out what it is. That one seems to be the culprit. I hope this one is the problem. They blink green or green steady when they're running. But this one a little bit ago was blinking the red, which indicates to me that this one is the faulty one. Like I said, they're hardwired in. So I'm going to go step by step and I'm going to demonstrate how you go about replacing your hardwired smoke alarm. First thing we're going to do to be safe is shut the breaker off.
Unscrew the old smoke alarm here. Just give it a little twist, pull it down. Once you have it down like this, what you want to do is disconnect it. On mine, you just pull it out. Wiggle and pull, and then she comes out. Not positive, but I think this has been in there for a long time. A long time. Okay, then take a Phillips screwdriver. Loosen up these two screws right here. Hold that bracket to the ceiling. And then, well, this one doesn't allow you to, but a lot of times you can just spin like a half turn or a little bit of a turn, and then the screws will come through. But this one is not letting me do that, so I got to take them all the way out. Now you can go ahead and pull your wires down and see what's going on here. Now the wires that control the unit is the black and the white. The one with the red wire, that's the one that goes to the rest of them throughout the house. It connects them all together in series. This is the one I bought. Got this at Home Depot. KIDDE Detect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide. I don't know if we have a carbon monoxide detector on this level. We have one downstairs, but not up here. So thought that'd be a good idea as we're going through actually replacing all of these detectors to at least have one or two that are carbon monoxide. So this was just over $60 all in at Home Depot. Now the cord that comes with this is just a red, white, and black, just like the one that's on there. A little bit different configuration, a little different shape, but still the same. So now what we want to do is take each one of these wire nuts off one at a time, and then remove the wires from this plug and then insert the new plug the same way that we took them apart. So I'm going to start with the black. Just going to untwist. This is really twisted tight. I'm just going to undo this a little bit. And just black wires out. Then just put the new black in with these guys. Wire nut them all together. You just want to give them a little bit of a tug to make sure nothing's going to pull out of there. That seems good. And then we'll do the red. Then we'll put the red on from the new one. And then finally the white. It'd be nice if this was just like a plug and play. I know the newer style, or if you're replacing a newer one, it's just disconnect and reconnect, but not so with this one. I guess the reason being that this plug is different. If the plug was the same, then you're golden, but not in this case. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my wires, shove them up inside, leaving the plug dangling. Then I'll take the ring, reinstall that. This new ring allows you to sneak those screw heads in there, and then you can twist it around a little bit, and they'll stay in place. I think that's pretty good right there. Now this new style one comes with a dust cover on it. It's kind of unique. In case you're doing some new construction, it says leave it in place until you're all done. And then it comes with battery backup instead of 9 volts, which all my old ones here are 9 volt. The new style, AA, and it comes with the batteries. So just go ahead and we'll connect this. There it is right there. Sneak that in there. There, she clips in. And then you're supposed to remove this to activate the battery, so we'll do that. And then just simply line it up like so, and then give it a twist. Whoop, I thought that was it. There. Didn't go far enough, I guess. Give it a twist like that. You can pull the cover off. There. We were blinking red, now we're blinking green, so I think we're good to go. A couple of the other ones just went off. I think it was just letting me know that everything's hooked up, complete. So there you have it. We completed the job and got this one up and running. I think I have 4 more to go, maybe 5. I think it's 5 throughout the house. We're just doing one after the next. This is the first one. I'm pretty sure this was the culprit causing all the chaos. So fingers crossed, God willing, this one will not beep unless there's actually a reason to beep. KIDDE brand is the brand I used. It's a good one. If you got something out of this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I got tons of videos on there you might enjoy. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. See ya.